Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Ever faced the Pokemon Go error code 13? This pesky little nuisance pops up with a message that reads, "Failure to detect location," preventing players from logging into their accounts. Most often, this error targets players who spoof or use VPNs. However, if you're not one of those, the issue could be something else entirely. A simple way to confirm whether this is an account-related issue or not is to try logging in from a different account. If you can log in on the same device with a different account, it's likely the issue is with your account. So, how do you fix the Pokemon Go error code 13? Let's dive in. Are you using spoofing apps? Our research indicates that developers have recently started detecting all kinds of spoofing apps. If you're using one, the game has likely detected it, resulting in this error. If you don't use any spoofing applications but are still encountering the error, consider the following steps. Restart your device. Then pair your Niantic account with your Google account. Then log out of your Niantic account. At last, try logging in with your new Google account. If you're trying to access the game in China or a similar country using a VPN to bypass geolocation restrictions, you might also encounter this error. If you were previously able to use your VPN without issue, the game has likely started detecting it. Remember, you aren't alone in facing this problem. Many players have shared their insights and findings on a Reddit thread, and it could prove valuable to you. If none of the above workarounds help, and you're not using any spoofing apps, we advise reaching out to Pokemon Go support to report the issue. In summary, the Pokemon Go error code 13 is predominantly linked to the use of spoofing apps or VPNs. If you're not using either, the problem may lie with your account. Fixes include restarting your device, pairing your Niantic account with your Google account, logging out of your Niantic account, and trying to log in with your Google account. If all else fails, reach out to Pokemon Go support. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit quarries.com.